This is my life every day I wake up, which I believe many working parents go through, as you need to clean up the mess and put everything back in place. But after that exhausting effort, you still realize the floor is dirty with food crumbs and dust. You simply just don't have the time and strength to vacuum and mop the floor because you have other priorities for the day. Which thankfully, all I need to do now is, "Hey Eco,
I'm here.
start cleaning."
Okay, start vacuuming and mopping the whole house.
So I've been using the ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni for about 3 months now, and boy, it has been a life changer and an indispensable cleaning workhorse for my home. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my long-term review of this robot vacuum on what I still think is really helpful for my daily life, as well as some maintenance stuff that I've done on this robot vacuum. Let's start off by talking about the maintenance of this robot vacuum, because I believe most of you would be concerned on the kind of maintenance that you will need to do on this robot vacuum after several months to keep it running at its optimal condition. So aside from emptying the dirty water tank and refilling the clean water tank every 3 to 4 cleaning sessions, the one thing that you will need to take note after several months is to check out the detergent level of this charging station and of course the dust bag. So let's take out the cleaning detergent container. So as you can see, this is how much that it has used up since our last video. So it has been 3 months. I've not refilled the cleaning detergent at all, and this is how much it has used. So considering that I'm using this almost 4 to 5 times in a week, using this level of detergent to mop the floor is actually pretty impressive. So you can imagine how much cost savings you are getting as compared to using a manual mop by pouring your own detergent in. It's using this little amount of detergent to keep your floor clean, which is really impressive. Now the next thing is of course the dust bag, which you can just take it out like this. So despite using for 3 months, I still feel that it still has a lot of space for storing dust, probably because my home is not as dusty as it seems, so it's still quite empty. But I would still recommend that you replace according to ECOVACS schedule. As you can check it out from the app, it will remind you to replace the dust bag when the time is up. Now after closing the lid, the next thing that we are of course going to check out is the mop board, which you can just remove the robot vacuum like this. Check it out. And this is one thing that you will definitely need to clean and maintain, because look at this corner, you have a lot of hair and dust that is stuck right inside, and this is all from the roller mop, because every time when it goes back to the station and it rinses off any hair and dust that is attached to the roller. So yeah, this is something that you need to take note. You need to wash this in order to keep your roller mop clean. And once you're done cleaning, all you need to do is to just insert back inside here, push back the robot vacuum, and you're all set. Other maintenance details are located inside the app, and it will remind me on what parts that I need to replace over time, and I find this to be extremely useful. Next, let's find out how well the Zero Tangle 4.0 brush and Osmo roller mop has fared for the past 3 months. So I'm just going to take out the robot vacuum and flip it over to the side here. You can see that there's a lot of dust going on right here. The wheels are still intact, but let's check out the brush first, okay? So you can see that this front brush is still working fine. It doesn't tangle any hair, which is according to ECOVACS promise. It really has zero tangle. And what about the main brush? Let's find out. So according to ECOVACS, it shouldn't have any pet fur or even human hair around it. And you can see it's actually quite dusty, and I would recommend cleaning this as well after for a while to keep it running at its optimal condition. You can see that it totally has no hair being tangled right here, which I think is a really important feature for any robot vacuum with a brush like this. But here is something that you could also clean up as well, because it's really dusty. Otherwise, you know, it's not going to be clean at all. Right? So this is something that you need to take note. And this is how the Osmo roller mop looks like. It still looks pretty darn good, even though I think according to the ECOVACS app, I'm about to replace this already, but I still think it's still in a really good condition after using it for about 3 months. And I think overall, it is really impressive, and I think it saves a lot of cost compared to other robot vacuums that I have used. Overall, the maintenance of this robot vacuum is really simple and straightforward. Not to mention that I haven't actually spent a single cent on replacing anything yet for the past 3 months, and I think even if I do, it is going to last me for a very long time. Because take the cleaning detergent for instance, it only used up to that level and still have some left for like another 3 to 4 cleaning sessions. So I think using this robot vacuum can potentially save you some costs as opposed to doing manual cleaning, which I think is really important when it comes to owning a robot vacuum. The cleaning performance of this robot vacuum has been nothing short of impressive after 3 months, especially the Osmo Roller 3.0, which keeps my floor spotless and is a champ at mopping stains and corners. It is all thanks to its pressurized self-washing that keeps it clean in real time, and it is able to extend to mop corners when needed. The strong 30,000 Pascal suction power can also effectively suck in large debris such as hair and foot crumbs. With a slim body profile, this robot vacuum has no issues going under cabinets, and when the lights at my home go dark, the IV3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance system is assisted by a flashlight to go around and finish the job. I like that the roller mop is rinsed with hot water every time it returns to the charging station, and it dries with hot air to eliminate odor and bacteria, which ensures great hygiene, and I don't need to take out the roller mop to dry manually. With the ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni, I finally have more time to accomplish things that I haven't been able to do at home while getting proper rest after a long day of work, as I no longer need to spend time cleaning the floor as I have handed off to the robot vacuum to do the job. It is easy to maintain and has a low ownership cost when it comes to spare parts replacement. By the way, ECOVACS is having an Amazon Prime Day deal for the robot vacuum, which I'll leave the details in the comments below. It is an indispensable cleaning workhorse that delivers flagship cleaning features at a great value, which I recommend checking it out. So that's all for my long-term review of the ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.